Hello, my dear family members. On 14th September, many candidates had exams. That's why we will have 4 to 5 coding questions from this day. Now, in this video, we will solve both coding questions asked in first lot. Before I start reading the question, I would request you to join my YouTube channel to give me some incentives, right? Okay, let's start. So, the question is regarding minimum time to fill. You are given 3 pipelines, each capable of filling a water tank at different rates. The 3 pipelines are presented by their filling rates, which are positive integers: pipeline 1, pipeline 2, and pipeline 3. Your task is to write a function minimum time to fill to determine which pipeline will take the minimum time to fill the tank completely. The tank has a total capacity of capacity liters, and you need to find the minimum time required to fill it using one of the 3 pipelines. So you can use this formula to calculate the minimum time, and your function should take the following parameters: this the filling rate of pipeline 1, pipeline 2, pipeline 3, and capacity is given in the capacity liters, right? And the function should return one of the following strings depending on which pipeline takes the minimum time to fill the tank, right? Either pipeline 1 or 2 or 3, whichever will give minimum time, right? Okay, if multiple pipelines take the same time, return the one with lowest index, that is prioritize pipeline 1 over pipeline 2 and pipeline 2 over pipeline 3, and constraints are given there to follow that. And here are the examples input, that is pipeline 1 is 5, 8 and 12 liter respectively, they fill, right, in a minute, and the capacity of the tank is 40 liter, so pipeline 3 will take minimum time, that means 40 by 12, this is minimum time, right? So pipeline 3 will be returned. Same in the similar way, the second output will become like pipeline 3 is the greatest value, that's why it will take lowest time, right? Okay, that's why we will return pipeline 3. Okay, let me declare it that the question is prepared according to a candidate's explanation, not fully same, but task and logic are same, right? Okay, let's start with the solution. At first, define the function, right? Minimum pipe, and the arguments are P1, P2, P3, and capacity, right? Okay, now just calculate the time it takes to fill the tank using each pipeline. So T1 will be capacity by P1, and T2 will be capacity by P2, and T3 is equal to capacity by P3. And now create a list of tuples for easy comparison and sorting, right? So time and pipeline is equal to, let's say, T1 comma pipe 1, pipeline 1, and just let me copy it. So just this will be T2 and pipeline 2, and then T3 and pipeline 3, right? Okay, now sort the list based on time in ascending order, right? So TP dot sort, right? Okay, now return the pipeline with minimum time. This will be okay, right? So return TP01. So I hope this will give proper output. Just let me take the driver code. Driver inputs are P1, P2, P3, and capacity. Sorry, capacity is equal to map int input dot split, and now just print the function value, that is minimum pipe, right? Okay, I hope this will give proper output. Let's check if this right or not. So the first input was 5, 8, 12, 40. 5, 8, 12, 40. So output should be pipeline 3 and it is. Okay, now let's take the second input, that is 10, 15, 20 and 100. So pipeline 3 will be printed, right? Okay, I hope you have got the logic, right? This was easy question, but it was asked in advanced section, right? So if you have any question, then let me know in the comment section. I will give you the answer, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. But before I show you the next question, I would request you to please join my YouTube channel to give me some incentive, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. So the question is implementation of factorial, right? So please pause the video and try to give me the answer in the comment section, right? Okay, I hope this session was helpful to you. If you think, then please subscribe this channel and please join my channel to give me some incentive. Okay, so thank you for today's session.